Hey guys! Many gadgets are considered illegal in many countries because of how they can be used. Here's another list of 10 gadgets that are banned in many areas that you can still buy on the market. All the links to the products can be found in the description below. Let's go! Number 10. Kronos Electric Lock Pick Gun. This device is identified as the most beautiful, almost perfectly silent lock-picking device on the market. The purpose of this device is to help those who need lockpicking expertise, but in the wrong hands, the device could be used for criminal purposes. The device has high battery power and performance, giving you all the power you'll need to open most 4, 5 and 6-pin cylinders in a matter of minutes. With its compact, ergonomic, lightweight design and rubber plastic rings all around its body, it's easy to get a grip on the Kronos Pick Gun in your hand. You can easily adjust the needle swing so that you can have the perfect amplitude for any lock and keyway you may encounter. The kit comes with 5 pick needles. Now you know why this device could somehow be illegal. It even gets worse. The Kronos Pick Gun is built to last and easily withstand wear and tear when being used by professionals. Number 9. Yellow Jacket iPhone Case. The Yellow Jacket is an iPhone case designed with a stun gun on top. This case was designed only for the sole purpose of helping people defend themselves when they're in difficult situations. It looks like an ordinary iPhone case, but it's actually a defensive device that can generate 6 to 7 times more power compared to other defensive gadgets when it comes to non-lethal conductive energy weapons. The fact that it looks like an ordinary cover gives you the upper hand in using the element of surprise against your attacker. It has the ability to charge your phone wirelessly while retaining enough power to fire a stun gun. Although this device isn't lethal, it can still be used by the wrong people and cause serious harm to the victims. Number 8. USB Killer. A USB killer is a USB drive device that doesn't actually have the ability to store or transfer data like any other USB drive. This device is only designed to look like a thumb drive, but it's actually a device that sends high power voltage to any electronic device that it's connected to, with only one intention, and that is to damage the hardware components of the connected device. This device has the ability to release about 200 volts, which is more than enough to damage any smartphone or laptop. In the wrong hands, this device could be used to destroy important information stored in office laptops or any electronic device. Number 7. Security Tag Remover. Imagine someone being able to walk past the security detectors at the door exit of any shop with their hands full of things they didn't buy. Well, with this device, that becomes more than just an imagination. This device gives you the ability to remove the tiny magnets that are placed on the tags attached to any product in just a matter of seconds. That way, when you walk through the exit, it won't be able to detect the tag, as if it had been removed by the counter where you had to pay for the product for it to be removed. Now, I don't think that I need to tell you why this product is illegal in many areas. Just think of it from the business owner's perspective. Number 6. Blitz Knuckle Duster. Blitz Knuckle Duster is a lightweight defense device that quickly helps you escape dangerous situations. Unlike other wearable knuckles out there, this one comes with a slot for a single finger, making it smaller in size. But don't let it fool you, this curved design knuckle duster made of copper and brass is very durable, and can also be very dangerous. It might be very helpful to someone using it to defend themselves, but it can cause severe damage to anyone it's being used on. Number 5. Keychain Knife. A keychain knife is a keychain to which you can attach any of your house keys or office keys to it, but it comes with a hidden knife that you can simply access just by pulling it out with your fingers. The main purpose of this knife is to help you defend yourself when you find yourself in difficult situations on your way home at night, and it can also be used to help with simple box opening operations, so that you can avoid using your pen. But the problem is that thieves also use these keychain knives because of the fact that they are small and not easy to spot. The knife is very sharp, making it dangerous to anyone being attacked with it. Number 4. Midzo Spy Glasses. Hidden cameras are getting smaller and smaller every day, making it impossible to spot them even if they are staring directly into your eyes. I mean literally, the Midzo Spy Glasses does exactly that. What we used to see in spy movies has now come to reality, at an unexpectedly affordable price. The spy glasses comes with a hidden camera on the frame, and a button to activate the camera placed in a position nobody can see. The camera can record 1080p HD videos in 30 frames per second. They also come with a 16 gigabits removable memory card that you can place inside the glasses so that you can record the footage. That's enough to record about 10 hours straight. With a simple press of the button, it will automatically record and cut the video into 10 minutes fragments, making it easy to watch later on your computer. The hidden camera records the video in AVI format, but you can always change it later on your PC. Number 3. PowerShot StickShot. This device is the only single self-defense gadget anyone can ever need. The PowerShot StickShot is a device that combines a walking stick, a built-in camera, and a pepper power shooter that can be used with a single press of a button. The PowerShot StickShot uses a unique plume technology that shoots pepper powder at a speed of 170 mph across a 6-foot wide path at least 50 feet long. That way, you can use it to defend yourself without allowing the attacker to get any closer. The device is easy to carry around, and it has a dual-action safety function that works easily when needed but prevents accidental activation. Despite the fact that the device is a reloadable non-lethal launcher, it's still banned in most states due to the fact that it could be used by robberies to attack people in their homes at night. Number 2. Lockpick Gun. Lockpick gun, which is also known as an electric lockpick, has been banned from almost all online markets including Amazon and AliExpress, after hearing that there had been several occasions where it has been used by the wrong people for the wrong purposes of entering other people's homes or private compartments. The lockpick gun can be used to unlock a mechanical pin tumbling lock without a key in just a matter of seconds. The gun uses a vibration mechanism allowing it to interfere with any lock very easily. Number 1. Flipper Zero. Flipper Zero is a tiny piece of hardware that has a curious personality and software that has the ability to hack digital devices such as radio protocols, access control systems, hardware and more. Controlling smart home devices and electrical gates is the least that you can do with this device. It also has a built-in memory that can allow you to store information and simulate touch memory. The device can read EM4100 and HID prox cards used for controlling smart appliances like TVs and air conditioners. Flipper has an integrated 433 MHz antenna and a CC1101 chip, which makes it a powerful transceiver capable of up to 50 meters range. This is the operating range for a wide class of wireless devices and access control systems. The Flipper Zero is completely a self-operating device, as it doesn't require any additional devices such as smartphones or computers. The most important part is that the device is completely customizable, which means you can extend it into any way you like. It can work with an SD card that has 64 gigabytes of memory, and the device is designed with a cool old-school LCD screen which is perfectly visible in sunlight, and has ultra-low power consumption enabling it to last over a week without charging. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, check out more videos from our channel.